Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Euro 2024 event in FC Mobile 24. So before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. As you can see, there is new updates in this game. This is news update UEFA Euro 2024 event. So the UEFA Euro 2024 is here. Recruit players from all 24 nations and legendary icons who shone in previous tournaments. So you can play 3 key matches, journey across Europe, test your mettle in challenge mode, claim special player items that receive OVR upgrades based on real-world performance, and more to earn rewards. So this is the campaign, this is the event. You can tap on this banner. So in this Euro event, there are total 5 chapters. This is the Euro intro. In this Euro intro, you can claim reward here. For example, you can complete 1 daily matches in the main chapter. You can earn journey point token, this one. You can use to gain reward from the reward chapter. Also division rifles feature. You can play 3 division rifle matches to earn reward, and so on. So there is a milestone reward here, so you can get one of the player. This is the Euro pack, and so on. The top reward is Euro star player. And the second chapter, Euro main chapter, so you can challenge yourself in this Euro journey in Germany, and all the warriors are eager to write their glory stories on the green field. So you can play this warm up. This is like daily skill games and daily match to earn some token here, some journey point. So you can play this repeatedly. You can play again to gain reward or to gain journey point. And also there's a real match here. I already played once. For example, Germany versus Scotland. You can choose the difficulties, and also you can claim Euro standard pack if you already complete the match. So there's a lot match that you can challenge yourself here. And the third chapter, Euro Live OVR. So you can claim 1 player. So there's a rule, there are 3 rules. Here you can learn this about OVR upgrade, live a level up. So for example, if you choose K Havertz and he can make assists or score goal or keep clean sheet, he can gain upgrade in his OVR, become 95 or 96. So you can choose the player. Per player is 100 a journey point. And Euro rewards here, this is like a reward that you can get with 100 a journey points. And there's a quest also. And the last, Euro adventure. This is like always, this is like snake but no leather here. Just you can play dice, roll the dice with a 20 a journey or adventure point here. Yes, adventure point. So if you stop in one of the box, for example in Düsseldorf Stadium, you can get possible reward here, and so on. And also there is a match day gift. You can choose one of the country, and this is a reward pad, and this is the milestone. You can choose one of the reward. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. Enjoy the game.